Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like same. It is identical on both sides, so our pattern is reversible. We can use it from both sides, from right sides and wrong sides it looks same. So friends, this pattern can be used for making a scarf, jacket, shawl, stole, etc. Friends, it is only one row repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 3 plus 4 extra stitches, 2 add stitch here and 2 add stitches here. That's why we need stitches for cast on are the multiple of 3 plus 4 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 19 stitches on my needle, 15 multiple of 3 plus 4 extra stitches. So let's start the first row right side. Slip the add stitch purlwise. After that yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. After these 2 stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over like this and slip 1 stitch purlwise, then knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. In starting, these 2 stitches are a edge stitch, and pattern start from here. Yarn over, slip 1 purlwise, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. So one more repeat is yarn over, slip 1 stitch purlwise, then knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. One more repeat, yarn over, slip 1 stitch purlwise, then knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Yarn over, slip 1 stitch, then knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Yarn over, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. So in this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have 2 stitches, so these 2 stitches are edge stitches, so knit these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Second row, friends, we will repeat our pattern of first row in the whole pattern. So second row will also be same as of the row 1. Slip 1 stitch, after that yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. After these 2 stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over like this and slip 1 stitch, then knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn over, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Yarn over, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Yarn over, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Yarn over, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. So in this way we will complete our second row. Last I have 2 stitches, so knit the last 2 stitches. So friends, our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat this one row in our whole project until the desired length of our pattern. So when we repeat this one row, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.